Guys, welcome back with Moonwalker. Wow, 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 wow. The scan opens at bowstring instruction site at sunrise. EV machinery is everywhere. Cranes, bulldozer, and dump truck moving materials. The main character, police car, power excavator Eddie, and fire truck Frank, and park at the edge of the site. In the heart and the city, new skyscraper is rising, while the police car, Eddie the excavator, and Frank the fire truck are here to ensure everything runs smoothly. Paul the police car flashes his light the sun, his silent brief fly. Good morning everyone, remember to follow the rules to stay safe. Eddie the excavator races here on the bucket, then lower them. Ready today. And let's make this task strong and tall. Frank the fire truck extend his ladder and turn on his siren. Frank, and I'm here to keep everything safe. Safety first. To sense the emergency. Suddenly, a loud noise started inside. A steel beam slipped from the scan and crashes to the ground, starting a small fire. Narrator, ah, it's just a strike. A beam falls, igniting a fire. Our heroes must act quickly. Powell. Eddie, can you clear the area? Eddie, move his wheelie, using his bucket to push debris away from the fire. Eddie, I need power clearing a path. Friend, it's an I will handle the fire. Friend positioned himself close to the fire, extend his hose, and start spraying water. The fire begins to down. Scan for coordination and teamwork. Workers on the site are directly away from the danger zone by Paul. While the electric traffic this way, everyone stay calm and move to safety. Eddie continues clearing debris, ensuring the path is open for Frank to reach the fire fully. Eddie, path's clear. Frank finishes it off. Frank increased the water pressure, extinguishing the fire completely. Frank, fire out. Good job, team. Scan 5. Dissolution. The site where can achieve is proud as Paul Eddie and Frank Red Group. Narrator, thanks to the AKK Guild, creating anti-mur, this successful effort to consider site is safe once again. Paul, excellent. Everyone's safety is our top priority. Eddie, and now we can get back to building this magic sky rubber. Frank, always ready to help the project. The turn to defensive to the construction workers resume their tasks. Paul, Eddie, and Frank watch over them before the emergency. Another space oval with Paul, Eddie, and Frank on the top. The construction site in good hand. Heroes come a spurt in size, and today they feel free with their word. The camera pans out, slowing the whole construction site bursting with activity under the safe walls of Paul, Eddie, and Frank. Until the next adventure, stay safe and work together. Okay guys, I think enough, and then don't forget for the subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching, and then the next you. Bye bye on the Moonwalker, right?